Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Google is actually reminding everyone to make sure that you have the latest update to the Google Chrome browser, as this week's security updates are plenty. There's a lot of them, 21 in total, but mostly because the 0-day exploited in the wild is a very bad one. And so Google wants to make sure that you have your browser up to date. Don't forget to check out in your Chrome browser and go into Help and About Google Chrome. 146.0.7680.178 is what we are now in Windows. And at the same time, do check your Chromium browsers to make sure that they are up to date. Here on Edge, I'm on 146.0.3856.97. Make sure that if you use whatever Chromium browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, or even the new Samsung browser, these have that 0-day flaw, and it is all of these browsers are vulnerable if you don't update with the latest security update. So make sure that you check all of that. It's extremely important this week, especially since the browser is your door to the internet for the most part. It's an easy flaw to exploit. All you need to do is either go to a website where, that bad code is in the page and actually exploits the flaw. Or even, it could be an email you receive and there's a link, and that link brings you to that page where it's bad to be. So make sure that everything is up to date. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.